First the grade is 6.67. Oh! There's something late on me. Yeah, big fitting immediately. Get out of there immediately. Get there now. Julian Wilson, please make your way in.
Mate, I'm happy to not even compete ever again. Like, seriously, like to walk away from that, I'm just so stoked. And oh man. Oh. I was just sitting there, I was just about to like just start moving, and then I felt something grab, like got stuck in my leg rope, and I like instantly just jumped like away, and then it just kept coming at my board, and I just was like kicking and screaming, and wow.
See some teeth? You get some teeth?
I just saw fins. I didn't see the teeth. I was waiting for the teeth to come at me as I was swimming. I was like, ah!
Did you get a couple punches in?
I punched it in the back, yeah.